100%. All right, now we got some blueberry right here. So what we're gonna do is crush the blueberry them. All right, blueberry is easy to crush. Just squeeze up some of them for now. All right. This is my blueberry which I have. I'm just gonna simply show you because I have some left over. All right, what you wanna do? You just wanna crush the blueberry. All right, here it is. Once I crush up the blueberry, all right, get some lemon or lime and squeeze it in it like this. Roughly about half of a lime. Beautiful one. And get some Jamaican sorrel. If you have any, if you don't have any, you don't have to use it. This is some sorrel. Let's put it straight inside of it. All right. Yeah. And if you got some ginger at home, you can use it. Fresh ginger. All right. If you have some fresh ginger, just put a little bit in it, not much. And then what you want to do, you want to pour some hot water in it. All right. So you got the blueberry and some lemon and some sorrel. All right. Two things, you can either leave it into the water overnight and cool it off in the morning. But I'm just gonna simply show you exactly what you need to do to make this at home, all right? Fresh and relaxing drink. Alright, look at that. That is lovely and nice. Alright guys, so as I say, it's two things you can do. You could either leave it overnight on your counter, or you can leave it during the day and make it cool, and then you can drink it after. An amazing drink. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain this right now just to make you guys see. Alright. Beautiful. I'm just straining it off right now, guys. Alright. Beautiful drink. Alright, here it is. Now, this one, if you drink it right now, you can taste the flavor and the texture from it. It is fantastic and amazing, all right? And all you have to do is strain it just like this. Here's a little bit to kind of simple, you know what I mean? Just squeeze it out like this and get the flavor from the blueberry and the sorrel. Lovely drink. As I can see it for yourself. Alright, but I just want to say thank every one of you guys who watch this right here. But as I said, it's beautiful, fantastic, lovely and delicious. But I'm definitely going to do the video on it one day to show you guys exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about, alright? Because for me to explain it, a lot of people not gonna understand it, so I need to do a separate video on this drink right here, alright? So look forward for this drink, the blueberry and sorry. Alright? Trust me guys, it's wicked. And not only that, the sorry come in with that lovely flavor with the blueberry and the ginger and some lime juice. But the best time to drink this is when it's cool. Do not drink it when it's hot. Alright? That's the best time to drink it. Alright? It's a beautiful drink. 100% you guys will love it. Because I did this one before. I did it on my YouTube channel. I think I got this video on my YouTube channel right now, guys. Because I did it the other day, a couple of weeks ago, when I was showing you how to cool down it and drink and make it. And the flavor is amazing. Yeah, but after Father's Day, you need this to drink. Alright? Yeah. Beautiful drink from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright? Fantastic and amazing. As you can see it for yourself. Lovely and also delicious. Alright guys? Yeah. So please enjoy it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We've got a lot more recipes and a lot more video will be coming from Chef Ricardo. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright? Yeah. Beautiful, fantastic and an amazing one. As you can see it for yourself, that was a amazing one, guys. 100%. Guys, it's so amazing. Alright, and I will say guys, we got so much more recipe will be coming, but yeah, please keep watching guys. A lot more recipe will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Alright, we got some more beautiful and fantastic and an amazing recipe will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. As you can see, that is just something different when you want to drink before you go to your bed at night. Hopefully you guys will like it, but as I say, we got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe will be coming. And as I said, yeah, it's just something new for you guys if you want to try something at home. Alright, every night we have the bedtime tea. Alright guys, if you want to join Chef Ricardo bedtime tea, you know, anytime after 12 or after 11, you know, it's bedtime tea. Ah, that is lovely. Yeah, man. See it there, guys. This is lovely. You want to make it cool down and you drink it during the day. Beautiful drink. Ah, wow. That is fantastic.